Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Full Monty Coding. This is your boy Charles. If you want to learn more coding techniques, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get after it. In this video, we will be going over some swapping of variables in Python. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, let's start out by creating a couple of variables. So, let's create variable A, and I'm going to make this guy an integer, and variable B, and make this bad boy a string. Let's go ahead and display these real quick so we can see what we're working with. Run it. And so far, there we go. We got our variable A is 1 and variable B is hello. So now in order to swap these variables, what we're going to need is a third party variable that we can dump one of those contents or whatever one of the variables are into another variable, so we have two variables that equal the same. So what we normally do, we make a temp variable, and we're going to set that equal to variable A. And what this is going to do is we're going to have two variables now, two different named variables that equal the same thing. So if we want, we can print temp out, and we can also print variable A. And what the heck, let's print variable B so we can see what this says. So there we got our first set, which is A and B, one, one and hello, and now we have two variables. Temp variable is equal to 1, variable A is also equal to 1, and variable B is still equal to hello. Now, what we need to do now is change. We'll put it right up here, and we're going to take variable A, and we're going to set variable A to equal variable B. So let's go ahead and print this out. And show what we got. So we started off, variable A was 1, variable B was hello. Now we have temp to equal 1, variable A to equal hello now, and variable B is still equal to hello. So the variable A is now switched to variable B. Now the only thing we got to do now is switch variable B over to equal variable A, which we just simply take variable B to equal temp. And we can comment out temp now because we don't need him anymore. And let's go ahead and run this and display what we got. There you have it. They were switched just like that. There's an easy way that Python has to switch variables. So in order to switch these guys back, so let's switch variable A back to what it was originally and variable B back to what it was originally. So right now we have variable A to equal hello and variable B to equal uh, 1. In order to do this, what we do, we just take variable A and variable B, we equal variable B to variable A. And we can print these guys out real quick. And let's go ahead and display all this all over again. Let's go ahead and run it. And there you have it. So we have variable A as 1, variable B as hello. We switched them by using a temp variable, and we got variable A to equal hello and variable B to equal 1. And then we used what Python has by using the stack method. It's variable A to equal 1 again and variable B to equal hello. And that's it. Hope this video helps. If you have any recommendations for other coding lessons or have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.